Hey Diamond League, it's Jamequa Stevens, and today I'm going to show you how to create a business flyer for your Instagram or any other social media. So before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. So the first thing that you want to do is go to canva.com, and we're going to make a flyer with the dimensions of 1280 by 720. You also want to make sure that you go to Google and upload all your pictures that you want to use for your flyer, upload them to Canva. These are just some of my pictures that I've uploaded to Canva and I've used in flyers. So first things first, I like to create the border of my flyer just to see what type of look I'm going for. My business color scheme is pink, gold, and black, so I like to incorporate that into all of my flyers just for brand identity and brand consistency. So right now I'm just creating the top border for the flyer, and I'm going to copy it to the bottom as well. And in this video, excuse the excessive clicking. I just got a Mac computer and I'm still trying to get used to using the controls and everything on the computer. Now I'm gonna go to that gold background that I got from Google, insert it into the flyer, and create a second border for it. I really love Canva because it's very user-friendly. It's not difficult to use, and they have a lot of options to choose from. Like, you're not limited. I use the Canva free version, and I still can create amazing flyers for my business. Creating flyers in Canva usually takes me 15 to 20 minutes to create, which is amazing. This flyer took about 20 minutes. So this is one of my logos that I created in Pixlr. It's called pixlr.com. And that's just where I create all of my logos. It's another free website. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I want my flyer to look. Like I said, Canva is very easy to use. You just have to figure out what you want to get out of Canva. Like, you have to figure out how you want your flyers to look. And you just have to take your time with Canva. A lot of people say they don't know how to use Canva. It's not because Canva is hard to use, it's just they don't want to take their time to actually learn Canva. So right here, I'm just taking a basic square shape and creating a triangle out of it. I'm definitely gonna make it transparent because I don't want it to overpower everything else in the flyer. And what I love about Canva, you can save it to your computer and like upload it into like Vistaprint or somewhere else and just print off the custom flyers that you made. So now I'm just adding the pictures that I want on my flyer. I want to make sure that they all are the same size, just to make sure that the flyer flows together and nothing is, overpowering anything. So when I'm cropping a picture, I like to take the other picture and put it behind the picture that I'm cropping so that I know what size it should be. That's pretty much how I get my pictures to be the same size. I'm gonna add one more picture and then I'm going to add some text, and that'll be it for this flyer. It's really, really simple to use Canva, and that's why I like using it. I always like to use my social handles just in case they want to follow me on any of those. Like if I wanted to turn this into a flyer and pass them out, they'll be able to find me on social media as well. Canva has some really good text. If you were using the paid version, you can actually upload your fonts and stuff into Canva, but I just used the free fonts because they work perfectly fine. Right here you can see that I'm deleting a part of the text because I don't want the top cursive text, I just want the bold print. So I deleted that element. And now I'm just going to add my social handle and customize it to my liking. And that's pretty much how I make my business flyers for Instagram or any other social media that I have. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.